In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to add your signature to any PDF file here on your iPhone device. For example, you've quickly received this PDF document on your email and you wish to add your signature, for example, in here at the bottom. You can just drag and drop it, you can resize it, locate it at a specific location you wish to locate, and then quickly save and then reply your email as fast as possible here on your iPhone device without the need of a computer. But okay, let's start all from scratch and I'll be showing it to you how to do it in today's video. Hey, my name is Shaq and in this channel I do share cool tutorials and tech fixes as well. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. So jumping straight into the video, let me quickly open up my Gmail account. For example, as you can see, I've just received an email which asks me to sign a specific document and it's urgent. Suppose I'm out of my office and I do not have access to my laptop. All I've got in here is my phone. So the easiest way of doing this is to simply open up that specific document. And as you guys can see, here we go. We've got in here a place for me to sign right here with my name, right? Okay, cool. I want to reply it as soon as possible. What I'm going to do is first things first, tap here on share, right? So once you tap on share, the next thing you're gonna do is simply tap on save to files, right? Now here on files, you'll be able to navigate and select a place to save this file temporarily on your phone. Okay, so let me just go back and back here on browse. Let me quickly tap on my phone and then I'm gonna tap here on create a new folder by tapping on this three dots in here. And then let's go with new folder, right? So I'm gonna name it as sign document, okay? Tap on save, and here we go. Now I'm gonna save that specific document in that files folder right there. Cool, let's quickly close our Gmail application. And next up, let's just go straight into files by searching for files application in here. This is an inbuilt application that comes with your iPhone, so you do not need to worry about searching or locating this specific application. Tap on files, and next up, you'll be able to see, okay, let me just quickly close it just to pretend that it was closed and not opened. You'll be able to see this specific main menu in here by tapping on browse. Next up, tap on my iPhone and locate that specific folder that we just created, which was named as sign document, right? Here we go. Tap on sign document. This is the document in here. And now we're good to go. We now need to start editing this specific document right here. So what we're going to be doing here is pretty easy. We just need to tap here on this specific icon right here. Okay. And then tap here on this plus icon in here. Next up, you just need to tap here on add signature, right? Next up, you're gonna tap on add or remove signature, okay? And then you'll be brought to this page right here. Let me just quickly delete this and pretend that I do not have any signature saved to my device. Next up, simply tap here on plus to add a specific signature, and then you just need to quickly sign it here, and then you're gonna save that specific signature. Here we go, use your finger and simply sign over here. Here we go, my signature is done. Let me tap on done, and then we've got my signature right here. Now all I need to do is simply relocate it and resize it properly to bring it to the specific section that needs to have my signature, right? So here we go, we've got my signature right here. Boom, tapping over here, resizing the document. As you can see, my signature has been already inserted to the document and the document is ready to go. Once you're done doing this, simply tap here on done and this document should be now well signed. Next up, what you need to do is simply tap on share. Next up, you just need to tap here on Gmail, and then over here you just need to type the destination email address here at the top. I'll go with fixed by Shaq. I'm sending it to myself, and then once you're good to go, simply tap on send. The email will be sent. And here we go, I've received it again, and my document has already been signed, and I've already sent it to the person that is waiting for my email to be signed and reply to that specific person. This is how easy you can actually sign a document and send it to somebody else. Now, for example, just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna show you another way of quickly scanning and signing a document right now and sending it to somebody else without the need of third-party applications, by simply using your phone and inbuilt apps here on your iPhone. For example, let's say that I've got this document in here. I want to scan it, I want to sign it down here, and then I want to send it to somebody through email address. What's the process? Pretty simple. Take your phone, open up Notes. Once you're here on Notes, open up a blank note, okay, where you can type something on it. Okay, of course, I'm not typing anything right now. And then simply tap here on this attach option in here, tap on scan document, simply position it properly. It's going to automatically select the specific file, tap on save. Here you go. You've got your document already scanned in here. And then next up, what you want to do is simply tap here on this little arrow right here, right? So once you're done tapping on that specific arrow, what you want to do is tap on Save to Files, right? Now, once you're here on Save to Files, what you want to do is simply go back and then tap on My Phone, create a specific new folder as always by tapping here on New Folder, and then let's name it as Scan Doc. Here we go, Scan Doc, tap on Save, tap on Save. Your document should be saved to Files. Now, let's quickly go back into Files, Application. Here we go. We're now running Files right here. Let me tap on Done, go back, browse into on my iPhone, tap on Scan Doc. This is our document, right? We've just scanned it right now. Now, once you're done scanning it, you want to add your signature. Simple process, simply tap here on Markup, okay, over here, and then simply tap here on plus, okay? If you've got this option, it's much better, but if you do not have it, do not worry, simply tap on Markup, and then tap here on plus, add signature, and then add or remove signature, add a brand new signature, and then you can now quickly sign over here to add your signature, right? So down here, let's quickly sign our document. Here we go. Tap on Done, and your signature should be right here. Now, all you need to do is simply resize it properly, bring it down here to the corner where you wish to keep it, and then your document should be ready and you should be good to go. Once this is done, you're good to go. Simply tap here on Done, and then your document is already signed. All you need to do, tap on Share, and now you can send it to anybody you wish to send to. You can go with Gmail, you can go with WhatsApp as well, and share that specific document to anybody. In my case, I'll be going with Gmail in here, and then I'm going to be sending it to fixedbyshaq@gmail.com, which is my Gmail address in here. Tap on Send, boom, here we go. Document has been sent and has been received and well signed. Here we go, scanned, signed, and sent to the destination. This is how easy you can also scan and sign documents using your inbuilt iPhone application. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you have any doubt, please leave a comment down below and I'll make sure I get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.